Hello ladies, how are you feeling? In this video I would like to tell you a little more about walking pose like a diva course. Initially, I want to tell you that this course is suitable for absolutely all women regardless of age, because today all women need to learn the perfect walk. I want to help not only the girls who want to become models, but all the women who want to transform. Okay, one day I was noting of how women walk down the street. And what I saw was all women, hunched, shriveled, with sullen facial expression, constantly grinning at the screens of their smartphones. And then I asked myself these questions: what kind of man would look at them? And when I did get a chance to talk to these women, they all answered the same: I will find the man of my dream and then I become happy and start smiling. And then I realized they are completely mistaken. After all, a man is looking for a cheerful, perky, fun girl, but only when you begin to shout they will reach out to you. If you're cold, distant, hunched and demonstrate a negative body language, then nothing like this will happen.